Yeah, and this third one.
Which one?
Netiquette says the third one.
Etiquette is third one. Netiquette.
Yeah, yeah.
This one. Okay.
And collection of articles. And this is wiki, the
Which one?
collection of article and everything.
Okay.
And type of and this is extranet. The extranet, the second last one.
This one. This one.
And the first one is blog, I guess. The first one is blog.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
blog. Okay. They're all fine.
Yeah, they were all right.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, sir, I got it. Yes.
The right option you have to choose. So let us know right option.
Yes, sir. I'm seeing which of the provides the user with internet HTTPS.
No, it says internet access. A user with internet access. It is done by ISP.
It's
First you have an internet connection.
oh
Okay.
ISP. Yeah,
This is the ISP.
yeah.
Now
Which
this
of the
one.
following uniform resource locator?
Uniform resource.
A wait what A C or same? Oh yeah, yeah. C.
See.
The term what does S stand for? Um, I think another protocol. I don't remember this one. Is this?
This is secured. Okay. If there is no S, it means the website you are accessing is not a secure website. Okay. It can be harmful.
Okay, okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I
Here you can
understand.
see.
Which of the following is the which, which of the following is the name of the protocol? Uh, which of the following is the name of the protocol? www. This is the E part.
No, no,
www.
no. It says name of
No?
protocol. No, it says name of the protocol when browsing a website. www dot as protocol. It's an environment.
The HTTP.
Yeah, HTTP. HTTP make sure to bring the website.
Uh,
Even if you
okay.
click on hyperlink.
Okay. Which of the following is correct format of email address? I think part E part.
Yes, you are right. Other rest are wrong. Okay.
When moving between website, what is the correct name? Browsing.
No. Surfing.
Whoa, what?
Surfing.
Okay.
When you're moving between website, okay. When you open website, it is the browsing. When you searching
Okay.
from one site, from one website, it is called browsing. But when you move
Yeah.
different website, it is a surfing.
Okay. A file is transferred to a website. I think HTTPS.
So HTTP is used to access the website.
It's usually written file on the.
It says file transfer. With protocol.
Is it FTP? Hello?
Yeah, FTP.
Yeah, okay. Which of the following is a function of a web? 1 second, sir. Yes, sir. Which of the following is a function of a web browser?
Hmm. Which one?
Function of a web browser provides.
Yeah.
I think D.
D? No, it's a A.
Yeah, D.
No, it's a A.
What?
Read it again.
Which of the following web browser? Isn't that like
Basically, web browser give you access to web pages. No? Okay, got it.
yeah, okay.
Provide user with access to web page. Okay.
Okay. Which that allows personal private network to be uh
So which one?
I think extranet.
Yes, you are right.
Unsolicited what unsolicited cited
Unsolicited
email
email.
sent yeah emails sent over the internet. What is that?
Unwanted. Unwanted.
Oh, okay. So Unwanted.
Yeah. Unwanted email are coming to you.
Spam.
Spam. Yes. Okay. So
Yeah, okay.
enough for today.
Yeah, okay. Enough.
Yeah, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.